Okay, time to take a look at the WORKPRO adjustable wrench. So there it is. That is a very nice looking wrench. We can actually see, if we look on here, we actually have a little gauge on there. So if we want to get a measurement on something, all we have to do is line up that arrow and we can see that it is about 1/2 inch. Now on the other side, we got our metric. So we're looking at about 12 millimeters. Now one thing I really like about this, it actually has a rubber handle on here, which actually feels very nice in the hand. We also have a hanging hook. But one of the things I find this most useful for is if I have an Allen wrench, I can just stick that in there and then I can use this for that extra torque. So especially having a nice big opening like that, that is very nice to have. We also have a decently thick jaw, so that means you're going to get a good bite on whatever nut or bolt that you put this on. And if we look closely, we can see those little cuts in there. That means that this is a machine surface, so that is perfectly flat. This is labeled 8 inches or 200 millimeters, and we have a fairly smooth feeling nut on here. Looks like it goes up to just past 1 1/4, which is about 31 millimeters. So yeah, that is a very nice adjustable wrench. That is a very handy thing to have.